Congregation, this is Farah. She's here to praise and thank God on behalf of her father, who is Mohammed. He is 79 years old and he has cellulitis on his left leg since 2015. 79 years old. Over the years, they've been doing many a test, but the infection levels, they remain at the same level. Last Tuesday, she was here with her dad, Mohammed.
Lord, you are worthy. And my heart will sing how great is our God.
They went back home. They did a test yesterday. Since 2015, they have found out it's normal. Since 2015.
So you took the test after last Tuesday?
Yes, Pastor. So we came last Tuesday and the whole family was like worried for me to bring him out of the house because he never goes anywhere. He has to wear socks and keep his leg covered all the time. And I said, no, I somehow want to take him to this service. And against a lot of criticism, I brought him here. And you prayed over him. And
I didn't do much. I just came and I saw a swollen knee.
Yes.
I just put my hand there and I walked away, that's all.
Yes. And you didn't even touch his leg, you just touched his knee. Yesterday evening, we went and did a blood test. This morning, I got the results, and it's normal.
Normal, no infection at all. Come on, somebody. Thank you. Jesus is awesome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
God
And
bless
I
you.
want to thank the ushering team. They were amazing. I had to change pampers and everything, and they just went out of their way to help me. And I want to really thank God for all of
Wow,
that.
thank you.